If you want to cook the best popcorn at home, just like the ones in cinema, stop just throwing me in the microwave. Do this delicious secret recipe instead. First, heat 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a large pot over medium heat. That is the secret to the classic theater flavor. Drop in 3 test kernels and then cover the pot. When those kernels pop, just like your girl pops out of nowhere telling you that she needs $100, it means your oil is ready. Then add half a cup of popcorn kernels evenly across the bottom. Cover immediately and shake the pot gently every few seconds to prevent burning. When popping slows to 2 seconds between pops, remove from heat. Now comes the real theater trick. Use fine popcorn salt, also called Flavacol. It cells into the popcorn instead of sitting on top. Sprinkle the salt while tossing the popcorn so it coats evenly. If you want extra richness, drizzle melted butter after salting, not before. Now look at me. Light, fluffy, evenly coated, and addictive. That is cinema-level popcorn. Now go find a movie.